Okay guys, so here's Google Classroom tutorial number 2. I'm getting questions about what do I have missing? Well, you guys have complete control over that. So here we are, we're in our Math Google Classroom. Again, this stream screen isn't really that super helpful. I mean, you can get whatever was posted most recently, but it doesn't organize anything for you. What you should do is come here to classwork, and here, remember, this is where everything is organized. If you can't remember, if you turn something in, you can go to right here. It says view your work right here. See it? View your work. So once you click on that, then you can have a whole list of missing assignments. How do I know when I've done them? Well, if you click on one, so here's IXL R.11. So I'm clicking on that. That's missing. I have to view details. And you have to do this until you get to 85%. See that right there? Complete until you get to 85%. If you're not sure if you have done that, then you can just click on this. It will open a new tab. It will bring you directly to the assignment. It takes a second to load here, and oh look, Smart score is 0. So I'm not going to submit this until I'm at 85%. So once I've done that, then I'm going to go ahead and mark it as done. So you have control over your missing assignments. Where do I get them? In classwork. Go to view your work, and then here is a list of all of the things that you have not completed. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Bye. Talk to you at 10.